Here we are with another package to start 2025. This has some batteries in it, so I don't know what it is. Let's see. So we have a portable electric tire inflator. This is a big one, just judging by the box. We're going to try it later with the bike, the car, some sporting equipment. So let's try this Upbeat Plus portable electric tire inflator. Let's complete the unboxing here. Leak, inflate, go. Let's see. Charger, so we can use it with a 12 volt in the car. Here's the actual charger. Let's see if it's charged already. Sometimes they come charged. Oh yeah. Please remove sticker before using. So let's do that. Oh, there you go. So it's hard to see. Oh, there you go with my shade here. So it's 75% charged, more or less. Here we can change the settings. Bar, PSI. There it is, PSI for bikes, balls, cars, motorcycle. So you switch here on the top. You adjust the PSI here, up and down. So let's try it. Let's see the other accessories here. Manual instructions, which is gonna tell me what I just showed, basically. Here's the USB-C charger. So you can charge it this way too, or from the car with this one. Here's the hose. Here are the valves for different things like sports balls, soccer balls, other equipment, and a little pouch a little bag to take everything. So let's do a little test with the car first and the bike, and then we'll see. It's a quick guide that we already went through, like just instinctively. Just a little bit of information here. Let's try it. So here's my bicycle, and this one is rated to 50 psi. It's already inflated, but it's just for the exercise of this demonstration. Let's get the air out. So there it is, kind of flat. Turn it on and set it, move it up to 50. There it is. That's it. It stops automatically. Let's try now with this gym ball. And we're gonna switch the accessory. And we go through the same process. Turn it on. Let's move to sport ball now. And this one doesn't really matter how much pressure, just like inflate it again. There it is. We can try with the car too, a little bit. But it's basically the same process. You just set up the inflator for a car. There it is. These tires, let me see if I find it. Oh, here it is, very tiny number, 50 psi. So same as the bike. Let's try it. So this is giving us a reading, and it says like it's a 35. Wow. So this is just a quick demonstration because the tire is inflated, but we can do it from flat. But you see how quickly this works. Upbeat Plus portable tire inflator. The other cool thing is that this has a pretty bright light. You turn it on here, and I mean it's bright light now, but it flashes. So this is also very good when you have the actual emergency of a flat tire. You can use it as a signal to alert other drivers. Another cool thing about this product is that even the bag is well designed. Look, it has this little insert where you can put the wires and the bulbs, the little adjust. You can put all the accessories here, well, some of them, the little ones, so they won't be flying around, and then you can pack it nicely here. Your wire for the 12-volt lighter charger and the hose. So here it is, ready to go. Upbeat Plus.